Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back. And if this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. I'm Courtney, and my shop and my closet and my YouTube channel are all Milo's Market. I'm a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, Instagram sometimes. If this is your first time here, please hit subscribe below and I will put all my information at the bottom, and thanks for coming by. So today we're going to open up a reseller box that I got from my friend Rachel. She is at Tomato Cakes or at the Curated Tomato. I'll put her information below too. I wanted to open this on YouTube because sometimes she does these boxes and usually I don't get one in time because they sell out really fast. And I just wanted to show you guys an example of some of the things that you might find in a box from her. I ordered this last month and I just haven't had time to film opening the box, so I don't really remember what I ordered, but I think it was a new with tags reseller box from like a Nordstrom wholesale order or something like that maybe. I'll find the information and put that in the description also. But anyways, it's stuffed like to the max, and it says here, do not open with a knife. So I'm going to try to just rip it apart, I guess, and show you guys what I got. I don't think I'll be able to reuse this box, so I'm just going to peel this back like this. I wonder if this has the date on it when I bought it. April 8th. It's like May 8th today, I think. So yeah, I've had this for a month. Just had a lot going on with moving. Well, we haven't moved yet, but we are in the process of moving still. We have both places for 2 months. If anyone's interested. Oh my gosh. So, anyways, we're in the process of moving. But I had some time today, so I thought I would open this. Alright. I think I can pull everything out with this, like this. Okay. First thing. Okay, well, it's not a new with tags box because this doesn't have tags, so I don't remember what I got. These are Gap body size medium black cropped leggings. So that's the first thing. I don't think it was a certain item number. I think it was like by the pound. So that's the first thing. Let's see. Next is this Free People. Can you see that? Size extra small, like washed out thermal style drapey top, the V-neck. It's got like a shark bite hem on it. It is long sleeve with the ribbed cuffs. It's pretty cute. I'm just going to back up some from the camera so you can see the items a little bit better. Okay. Ooh, this is cute. Look, the fringe. Next is the Good Milk Wash. I don't know. I'll look it up. This is a really pretty color. This is H&M top, collarless blouse with these wide cuffs with the covered buttons. It's really cute. It's like retro. It's got a zip down the back. Really pretty color. Okay. Next is the brand tag is cut out, but it says cashmere blend, extra small petite, wool and cotton blend. I'll have to look up the RN number and I'll put that in the description also when I look it up. It's really soft and it's really cute. It's an open front, drapey type of cardigan. With some pockets on the hips. Pretty cute. Next is another olive green item. The Bobu collection. I think this is sold at Nordstrom Rack. Just like a washed olive green tank top with some chiffon details on the sleeves, or on the armholes, I guess. Cute. And last thing is this COS or COS, I'm not sure which one it is. Size small, royal blue. Oh, let me move this other stuff out the way. Royal blue t-shirt, tint dress. These pockets, it's really cute. Good summer basic. And that's it. So that was quick. It was the one dress, one tank top, so that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. I will have to look up 2 of those brands. Yeah, 2 of those brands, and I'll put them here when I get to the item. So hopefully we can learn some brands together. I know Rachel knows a lot of brands, so I'm hoping that those are some good brands that I'm just not familiar with. But overall, cute pieces, and obviously I will sell them on Poshmark. I really like the color of this top. I don't usually pick up H&M, but that's a really cute top. And I'm hoping this is a good brand, this cashmere cardigan, because it's really, really soft and it's a great style. Yeah, that's it. That was quick. So, yeah, I'll put the brand in the description or on the screen, and then hopefully we can learn some brands together. But that was just a quick little video, so thanks for stopping by, guys. All right, I'll see you next time.